before I install any of my software, I will first go to Windows Defender to turn up my V-type protection, so security. Then click on Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection, then Manage Settings, then turn off my real-time protection. To show a prompt, I'll click Yes, and I close it. Also close Windows Security. Then go to where I download my files, open the vMix with a zip app, which is I'm gonna use WinRAR to open it. I will say open with WinRAR. So close this, then double click on it, double click on the file. I think I'll use www.download.net. Okay, so strategy. So I'll click vMix setup, I'll say yes. Click yes, next, create desktop icon, I'll say yes. Click install, it starts installing. What you do is you don't click launch vMix, so you just turn on this checkbox, click on finish, then go to that zip folder, click on crack, then you're gonna pick all these tools here. But you can also use if you go back now, you can use this readme folder to ask you for that also, which is www.download.net. That's where I download the software. Then you see the study program. After install, don't launch or run application. Then copy the crack folder content and paste it in the software directory. So you just come to this crack, copy everything here, copy files to clipboard. Then it asks you for the password, is to type it in www.download.net. press enter. So it copies all the files. Then you go to your file manager, click on, you can either click here to go and look for the software. You go to your desktop, the software is already here, installed here already on the desktop. So what you just need to do is just right click on the software icon, then click on file location, open file location. So it will take you direct to the folder where the software is. So it has opened it. Then I'll now come here, click on paste what I've copied. So to start copying those things from crack folder, I'll just say replace the files in the destination. Click on it, and it will ask you to provide administrator permission. You check the box and click continue, and it will now copy all the files from the crack to the vMix folder, and then you are done. So that's how you need to do it. You don't need, when you have done this, you can now use the software. You can go and start using your software free of charge, which will not start asking you for product key. Let me just show you the example. So I'll just click on vMix and you watch it run. See, it starts running straight away. It now starts running. No more it will ask you for key. Now you choose the kind of HDL, your configuration, but you can also change these things later in your settings. So just click OK, or just OK everything. So now this is finished. You can now start doing whatever you want to do. It's not asking for any product key, so you can start importing whatever you want to import. So just stay tuned to this channel. I'll also get more videos on how to import, how to create visual backgrounds, import camera, import videos, import pictures, audio, whatever I want to import. I'll still do more videos